In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Facebook Pixel on Shopify and track conversions for 2025. This step-by-step guide will make it easier for you to integrate the Facebook Pixel into your Shopify store and start tracking key metrics to optimize your marketing efforts. Let's dive right in. Begin by heading over to your Shopify admin page if you're not already logged in. Make sure to enter your credentials and access your store's main dashboard. Once you're there, you'll spot the Shopify App Store option, generally located on the left side of your dashboard screen. Click on this and it will redirect you to the App Store where you'll have access to an array of applications that can enhance the functionality of your online store. In the Shopify App Store, you'll see a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type in Facebook Pixel and press Enter. You're now searching through Shopify's repository of apps, targeting those designed specifically for Facebook Pixel integration. After your search results populate, you'll want to find the specific app that aligns closely with your needs. Look for the one named KP Facebook Pixel Meta API. This app has become particularly useful for those interested in employing Facebook's conversion API to track more accurate conversion metrics directly from their server. Once you've spotted it in the search results, click on it to open up more detailed information. Now that you have the app page open, you'll notice a prominent button labeled Install. Click this button to initiate the installation process. Installing this app is crucial as it facilitates the seamless transfer of tracking information between Shopify and Facebook, helping you understand customer actions, optimize ad campaigns, and ultimately improve the business results of your Shopify store. Once the installation begins, you may be asked to provide some permissions or verify your information to proceed. Follow any on-screen prompts to continue, and rest assured that these steps are standard as they help in setting up the integration correctly. Upon successful installation, you should also verify the configuration settings of your new app to ensure that it is correctly set up and activated. Generally, this involves logging into your Facebook account through the app and linking your Facebook Business Manager with Shopify. This connection is what powers the accurate tracking of customer activities across your store. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you've successfully installed the Facebook Pixel onto your Shopify store, which means you're now better equipped to track, manage, and optimize the way visitors interact with your online shop. Remember that understanding your audience through tracking is an ongoing process, so don't hesitate to revisit your setup to adjust and enhance your marketing strategies over time. Thanks for following along and happy optimizing.